Good day, everyone. I am Regine Valdez Quita from Values Education Program, and now I am going to tell you how I integrate values values to mathematics subject. First is I'm going to share to you the challenge I have faced um, before I start the demo teaching in mathematics. One of the challenges that I have faced is that the perceptions of mathematics is like more on direct teaching, but during the demo teaching, I have encountered that there's a lot of values that you may see to the students. Like I use the fairness, critical thinking, and collaborations. Through experience and through my experience, I have reflect that mathematics is not just a numbers. It can be applied to our real life scenarios, like my topic. It is a powerful tool for developing critical thinking, discipline, and ethical reasoning of the students. I have seen how encouraging they are to work collaboratively, check each other's work, and it helps them to nurture values such as integrity and teamwork. This realization of mine shifted my perspective that values integration is not about inserting moral lessons into math artificially, but about highlighting that values are already naturally embedded in the learning process. With these insights, I am committed to deepening the integration of values into my teaching of um, different subjects in the future. Yeah, I will design learning activities that promote collaboration, ethical decision, and collaborations. By making space for discussions around fairness in grading, the importance of effort over immediate correctness, and the real world impact of mathematical decisions. I aim I aim to foster not just better problem solvers, but also a responsible individuals. That's all. Thank you.